If you're considering giving Notion a try, you should watch this video first. I've been using it for a few months now, and I want to share everything you should know. In this review, I'll cover what Notion has to offer, share my personal experience, and discuss some of the issues I encountered. But before we begin, if at any point during this video you decide you want to try Notion, make sure to check out the discount link in the description below to save some money. Notion originally started as a note-taking app, but has evolved into a powerful project management tool. When I first logged in, I was greeted by a nicely laid out welcome screen. From here, Notion guided me through the process of creating my first note-taking page and even provided starter videos. This made learning how to use Notion quick and easy. The welcome page neatly lists all the pages I created, organizing by page, title, and comments. Notion allows you to add various elements like to-do lists, subpages, videos, and even Google Maps if you need to provide directions to your team members. One of the things I loved about Notion is how easy it is to structure and restructure a page based on your needs. The drag and drop functions make it incredibly simple to customize your page just the way you want them. Notion offers over 50 templates for its pages, which saved me a lot of time organizing information. Sometimes having too much information on a single page can feel overwhelming and cluttered. Notion addresses this by allowing you to collapse each page so you can only see the information you need at any given time, which makes things convenient since you can reopen the pages when you need them again. In addition to pages, Notion also offers tables. I found these incredibly helpful for managing my projects. I created tables with tasks names, comments, due dates, and priority levels. Like the pages, the tables can be filtered and hidden, ensuring only relevant information is visible at any given time. Notion comes with an internal calendar, ensuring you never forget important deadlines or meetings. The timeline feature is particularly useful as it allows you to see how tasks are related to each other, providing a visual representation of the bigger picture. Some of the other features Notion offers includes databases, Kanban boards, and real-time collaboration tools for more advanced project management needs. If you're using Notion to help keep your team organized, there's a handy share to web option. This serves two purposes. It allows you to provide access to relevant information to your team and collaborators by just sharing a website link. It also enables you to create simple websites to share information about your product with potential customers. The wiki feature is a nice addition, allowing others to make edits and drop comments, making it easy to receive feedback or suggestions on your projects. While Notion offers many great features, there are a few downsides to consider. Compared to some of its competitors, Notion is relatively feature light and lacks advanced project management functions like time tracking or Gantt charts. This may not be a significant concern for small startup businesses, but it's worth noting for larger operations. Now let's talk pricing. Notion offers a free version, which is actually unlimited. This generous gift gives you ample time to familiarize yourself with the platform. Obviously, the free version comes with limitations on certain features. If you're working alone, the paid option costs $96 annually, which is equivalent to $8 a month. If you prefer a monthly payment plan, the price increases to $10 a month. For larger business operations, there's a Notion team option where you pay per user. It costs $15 per user per month for the annual plan and $18 per user per month for the monthly plan. Notion also provides more advanced and customized options, but you'll need to visit its website and contact its sales team to discuss these in detail. If you decide to sign up for Notion, remember to use the link below to get a discount. This way you get everything that Notion has to offer and save a few dollars in the bargain. Thanks for watching and take care.